G'day, today I'm going to show you the first few things that you want to do as soon as you receive your Lexmark printer. So, first of all you want to go into the IP address of the machine, so get the printer onto your network, type in the IP address straight into here, into a Google Chrome page. My one is .36. You can get the IP address off the printer itself just by going into the information part. It will show you the IP address, so select that. It'll log you into the printer. Very first thing that you want to do is make sure that you come down to device on the left hand side there, and then scroll down to update firmware. So you want to run the firmware update as soon as you get it, because straight out of the box they're not on the latest firmware, and the latest firmware fixes all the bugs, etc. So you'll install now and the printer will go ahead and install the latest firmware. Second thing that you need to do is actually download the latest drivers. Now, I'm going to show you two ways to do that. So first of all, you just want to look up Google Lexmark support and drivers. Come into the device section and put your device in there, 942, this one here is, and we'll select that. Now, it's got the recommended printer driver here, which is good because that is the driver that you want to use, the G2, the latest G2 drivers. If you download this package and run it, but you will find that what gets installed is a whole pile of other software and bits and pieces and stuff which you may not need to use, and most likely you don't. It is definitely the easiest way to install it, is just to download this and push next. However, if you want a lighter version for your computer, instead of actually running the actual install package itself, so when I open up the driver, you will see here you've got an option to install now or just extract the package. You can just simply extract the package, which will download all the files necessary, and then go in and just add the printer the normal way you would add a printer, so through printers and scanners, and then adding in the relevant printer. So we'll do add a printer, and we will go down and say that it's not listed, and we'll put the IP address in. We want to add a printer using IP. This bit here you want to make sure it says TCP IP. Put in the IP address of the printer. Alright, and do next. And then it's going to ask me if I've got the disk. I'll say yes, and I'll go down to that relevant information file that we just downloaded then. So we should have Lexmark here. We've got the universal print package, drivers, print, GDI, and then just push open here. Okay, and you'll see all the printer drivers come up, so you can now choose the relevant one that relates to your printer and do OK. That, or just do the printer software one there. So that is the easiest way to do it, and this way it'll just install a very light version, so without all those other bits and pieces that you've seen were getting installed. Hope that helps. Thank you.